Welcome to Advisor Go. Today we're going to be reviewing the Life Needs Insight. The Life Needs Insight is going to give us a model of what would happen if there was a premature death in the plan. To view this insight, you'll want to click on Insights from the dashboard. You can type in Life Needs into the search tool, and then just go ahead and click on that to jump into the insight. This insight will give us an output that shows us what will happen in the plan if the spouse dies at year 2. Now that the insight has been processed, we can now see that in year 2, there is a tombstone representing that event happening. We can also see here that there is an additional $10 million needed in the plan to prevent shortfall from happening. You can also use this drop down to look here at Emily's plan if this were to happen. So let's go ahead and compare to the original plan. So looking at the original base plan, we can see that there's a definite shortfall in the earlier years as compared to the base plan should that event happen in any case. We can also use year view to look and see what happens after that happens in year 2. So right now we're looking at year 1 where they do have a cash flow of $812,000 a year, roughly. In year 2, that event does them down about $100,000. And as we look through the plan, it still continues to drop. It does go up a little bit here and there due to some inflation, but we can see in certain events what is going on there. We can also go back into year 1 and 2 and look at insurance, and we can see those insurance policies actually paying out in year 2. So we have the cash value, and then we also have the benefit amount. And as we scroll forward, the amounts will change based on the coverage that they have and the benefits. Overall, these are really good opportunities to talk to your clients. If these situations were to happen, what does that look like and how much insurance coverage is needed? So if we click off of year view, we can go back into this chart. And if we want to just take a look at John's early mortality and also compare to plan, it's going to look different as well. With Emily passing away earlier, they have less shortfall. John passing away earlier, they have more shortfall. And we can also compare this in the year view as well and see what that payout looks like, because Emily does not have life insurance. So in this plan, there's no payout for John because Emily does not have life insurance. So this would be a good opportunity to talk to your clients about maybe the spouse having an insurance policy, because if she were to pass away, there would be a significant shortfall. I hope this helps. And if you do have any other questions about this insight, please feel free to reach out to support at any time. We'll be happy to help.